Alright, well, I was going to switch to this flat belt that I made out of ribbon, because that was the one that was most efficient at power transfer the last time we were testing. But as soon as I shut the camera off to make the switch, the ET1 quit, and I put the belt on, and I've been trying to get it to start again, and it's not. But it has gotten more humid because it rained last night and the sun's out, so I think that we're back at the point where it's so humid that it's just arcing around the spark plug inside the boot, and I can't do anything about that. I'm not getting it's not sparking out the boot, but it's arcing around the plug. So it's too humid to do this anymore, and I'm going to go inside.